channel. It's Mo Natural here and welcome to another video. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna be doing some extra jumbo box braids. I wanted some box braids, but I didn't want to sit here because my arms, because I'm working out, my arms are like on fire right now, so I didn't want to be sitting here forever trying to braid my hair and I'm in pain. So I was like, let me try to do some extra jumbo braids and see how they come out. This is the first time I'm gonna be doing my hair this big. I've done jumbo braids before, but not this big, so I'm excited to see the end results. So today I'm gonna be using the Shine and Jam gel, extra hold gel. And for the hair, I'm using the Expression 2X. It's 48 inches and it's already pre-stretched. I don't know, since I see these at my beauty supply store, I'm not interested in nothing else. The pre-stretched hair is freaking amazing. Like, I love this. They don't tangle easy. They're amazing. When I'm braiding the girls' hair, whatever, because two of my girls, they wear braids, I just love it. I just love it. And I washed my hair earlier, and that's why they're braided like this, because I was trying to stretch them. And they're conditioned. I already moisturized my hair with the Cantu leave-in conditioner and coconut oil. And now let's just get into the video, guys. I already started taking up my hair. Alright, guys, let's just see. So I'm just gonna take them down one by one basically and just put in the braids. Actually, I need to get up because I need my crochet. I need my crochet needle. Alright, guys, I'll be right back. As well, I'm gonna be using these we call this tangle free ponytailers, they call it. Instead of the rubber bands, I feel like there will be like less tension on my hair if I use these. And the hair, I think I only need 2 packs, but I did buy 3 packs, and these were going for, I think they were like $4.99. When I first went to the store, the lady was like $7.99. I'm like, okay, never mind. And then she was like, oh, let me go check to make sure, and it was $4.99. So I was like, okay, I'll take it now. Just detangle my hair really well so that I have no snafus. My hair feel kind of, it's oily. I feel like it needs a little bit of moisturizer. I shouldn't though, because it will just like curl back up if I put conditioner in there again. That's why normally I'll just put the conditioner in when it's wet and then let it air dry with the conditioner in there, because my hair gets tangled really quick. Alright, guys, so I am gonna be like putting this in my hair. I have all kind of hair in this thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this because you guys can't see the back of my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and when I get to the front, I'll come back and let you guys see how I achieve the braid. Alright, guys, we are back. Well, I am back, and these are hard, guys. They give me a hard time, and for some reason I thought the braid was longer, but it is pretty short. This is when you stretch it out like this, it may be 48 inches, but no. So I'm kind of pissy about that because I wanted my hair to be much longer. Alright, guys, let's just get into this because I am so ready for this to be over. Just lost my earring, guys. Well, put it right up. So put a little bit of jam at the end of my hair just for control. Cause this thing, ooh, I kind of like this. All right, guys. So step number 1, I'm gonna take piece of the hair, not too big, and crochet it on the ponytail, I guess you could call it, and just pull it even. This would be so much easier if my hair wasn't this thick right now. And just for a little control, I do separate it, that. Then I'm gonna get a second piece, which is gonna be way thicker. And then this piece up here, I'm gonna divide it in 2. And then pick up the third one. All right, guys, let's do this again. So this is it, guys. They did not come out as long as I wanted, as long as I expected. But you know, when I bought the braids, I really thought it would be like long enough, as long as I wanted it to be, but it didn't turn out that way. But it will work for the week. I know this hairstyle is not gonna last very long. It's probably gonna last for this week or whatever, but that's exactly what I wanted, because I realize now I cannot wait too long to wash my hair, because ooh, it be itchy. So if this could last me for my work week, I will be happy for that. And even if it don't, it get messy, it's gonna stay for the work week. I'm talking about, oh, if it don't think, it's gonna stay. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go clean it up and then put some accessories on, and I'll come back and show you guys how it turned out. I kind of like it. It look cute. So here we go guys, this is the finished product. It's not too heavy, but I don't know. So yeah guys, this is the finished product. I like it, but then in a kind of way I don't know. Like, I feel like my hair is way too thick. It was such a struggle getting this hair in because it's so thick. And then it's not as long as I want it to be. I actually want it to be waist length, and I don't know, for some reason I don't know, but it said 48 inches, so I figure 48 inches will be down to my waist, but I guess not. It's under my boobs. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know each time I upload a video. Until next time guys, bye.